Hello kids, welcome back to our EVS class. So today we are going to revise the lessons that we learnt in our previous year. जो हमने last year पढ़ा है उस lesson का अब हम क्या करेंगे, revision करेंगे. So let's start with the first unit, that is our body. In first unit we have unit 1.1 body parts. So do you remember what all you learnt in this unit? क्या आपको याद है आपने इस यूनिट में क्या क्या पढ़ा था? So see, we can see two kids here. We can also see different body parts mentioned here. So इस images को देख के आपको याद आया होगा कि इस यूनिट में हमने क्या पढ़ा था. So let's start revising it. So see here. Here are the pictures of two children. This is Soham and this is Rita. They have also grown up like you. They have also grown up like you. Let us look at some of the parts of their bodies. So now see, this is a picture of Soham and this is the picture of Rita. So let's read. First, see, this is head. This is head. This is chest. This is neck. This is arm. This is arm. From here to here. This is arm. This is hand. This is hand. And this is palm. See here, this is palm. This is stomach. And this is leg. This is leg. And this is knee. This is knee. See? These are knees. These are toes. These are toes. This is foot. This is foot. This is hair. This is what? Hair. This is shoulder. This is back. This is elbow. This is elbow. This is wrist. See, this is hand and this is wrist. This is hand and this is wrist. These are fingers. These are fingers. This is thigh. See here, this is thigh. This is thigh. This is ankle. This is ankle. So this is the picture of Soham. This is the picture of Rita. So after seeing this, we can now recognize different body parts. We will read it again. This is head. This is neck. This is arm. This is chest. This is hand. This is palm. This is leg. This is knee. These are toes. This is foot. This is stomach. This is hair. This is shoulder. This is back. This is elbow. This is wrist. These are fingers. This is thigh. This is ankle. Now, look at Soham and observe the different parts of his face. Now we will learn about different parts of face. See, this is the picture of Soham. This is the picture of Soham. So as we can see here, this is forehead. This is forehead. This is ear. This is ear. We have two ears. This is eye. This is eye. We have two eyes. This is nose. This is nose. We have one nose. This is mouth. This is mouth. This is lip. This is lip. These are teeth. This is cheek. सो किड्स, अब हमने देखा कि डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स को कैसे रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं, कैसे पहचानते हैं. ओके, नाउ अब आपको ये दोनों इमेजेस देख के बॉडी पार्ट्स को 2 बार पढ़ना है. ऑल्सो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ फेस. ओके, नाउ let's move to the next page and learn more about head, neck, hands, legs and feet. हमने अब बॉडी पार्ट्स को पहचानना सीखा, याद करना सीखा, इसका रिवीजन किया. ये लेसन हमने ऑलरेडी लास्ट ईयर फिनिश किया हुआ है. इसका सिर्फ अब हम रिवीजन कर रहे हैं, जो कि आपको ऑलरेडी बहुत अच्छे से याद है. इसे हम फिर से याद कर रहे हैं. लेट्स रिवाइज अबाउट हेड नाउ. हेड, आर हेड रेस्ट ऑन आर नेक. हेड कहाँ रहता है? हमारे नेक पे रेस्ट करता है. वेयर इज आर नेक? सी, दिस इज नेक. हेड जो रहता है हमारे नेक पे रेस्ट करता है. एंड व्हाट डू वी हैव ऑन आर हेड? हमारे हेड पे क्या है? बाल है. वी हैव हेयर ऑन आर हेड. व्हाट डू वी हैव ऑन आर हेड? वी हैव हेयर. हमारे सर पे क्या रहता है? बाल रहते हैं. Then left and right, up and down, can our head turn all around? Left and right, up and down, can our head turn all around? हम अपना सर लेफ़्ट के डायरेक्शन में घुमा सकते हैं, राइट डायरेक्शन में घुमा सकते हैं, ऊपर कर सकते हैं, नीचे कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको ऊपर देखना है तो ऊपर घुमा सकते हैं, या नीचे देखना है, पढ़ना है तो नीचे झुका सकते हैं. बट कैन आर हेड टर्न ऑल अराउंड? पर क्या आप अपना हेड पूरा ऐसे राउंड घुमा सकते हैं? नो, राइट. देन कम्स नेक. सी, दिस इज नेक. आर नेक हेल्प्स अस टू मूव आर हेड. एज आई टोल्ड यू, आर हेड रेस्ट ऑन आर नेक. नेक हेल्प्स अस टू मूव आर हेड. अगर हम अपना सर घुमा सकते हैं तो इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ आर नेक. हम नेक के सपोर्ट से अपना क्या सर घुमा सकते हैं, मूव कर सकते हैं. वी कैन मूव इट अप एंड डाउन, लेफ्ट एंड राइट, राइट. देन हैंड्स. व्हाट डू वी डू विथ आवर हैंड्स? व्हाट डू यू डू विथ योर हैंड्स, किड्स? आवर हैंड्स help us to hold things. We write with our hand, and also we do many things with our hands. These are just small examples. See here, our hands help us to hold things. So now I'm holding this pen. It is because of my hand. अगर मैं ये पेन पकड़ सकती हूँ तो it is because of my hands. With the help of my hands, I'm able to hold things. We write with our hands. अगर हम कुछ लिखते हैं तो it is with the help of our hand. हम अपने हाथ से क्या करते हैं? चीज़ों को पकड़ते हैं, लिख सकते हैं, बॉल को कैच कर सकते हैं, थ्रो कर सकते हैं, खाना खा सकते हैं. And we do many things with our hands, right? Then comes stomach. Food from our mouth goes to our stomach. So kids, when you eat food, where does it go? जब आप खाना खाते हैं माउथ से तो खाना कहाँ जाता है? स्टमक में, राइट. Whatever we eat, it goes to our stomach. Food from our mouth goes to our stomach. और खाने से हमें क्या मिलती है? एनर्जी, ताकत मिलती है. So whatever we eat, it goes to our stomach. हमारे पेट में जाता है. Then comes legs and feet. Legs and feet help us to kick a ball, to run on the ground, to stand and walk or jump around. Legs and feet help us to kick a ball, to run on the ground, to stand and walk or jump around. You are able to stand, walk and run. It is because of legs. अगर आप खड़े रह सकते हैं, भाग सकते हैं या फिर चल सकते हैं तो वो किसके वजह से? legs and feet. You are able to kick a ball. It is with the help of your legs and feet. You are able to jump around with the help of legs and feet. So each body part has some work to do. हमारे बॉडी में जो डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स हैं वो हमें कोई ना कोई चीज़ करने के लिए उपयोगी है, यूज़फुल है. हमारा हर एक बॉडी पार्ट बहुत ही उपयोगी है, राइट? सो किड्स, वी हैव रिवाइज द लेसन. वी विल read the body parts again. After that we will have a small exercise. Okay, so this is a picture of Soham, this is the picture of Rita. This is his head. क्या है? सर है. This is neck. ये उसकी neck है. This is chest. This is arm. This is hand. This is palm. See, this is palm. These are fingers. This is leg. This is knee. These are toes. This is hair. This is shoulder. This is back. This is elbow. This is wrist. These are fingers. These are thighs. This is ankle. So how many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. We have 2 legs. Now let's revise about different parts of face. This is forehead. This is ears. This is ear. This is eye. This is nose. This is mouth. These are teeth. This is lip. These are cheeks. Okay. We have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 nose. Okay. Now we will have a small exercise related to this unit. Okay. So kids, we can see few more pictures of our body parts. Some of the examples are given here. See, these are eyes. These are eyes. This is ear. This is ear. This is face. This is face. This is arm. This is arm. This is hair. These are feet. These are feet. These are lips. These are teeth. This is cheek. This is tongue. This is mouth. This is palm. So now we know different body parts. Now we will have a fun exercise. Okay. So you know how to solve the match the following exercise. You have done that in your exams. आपने exams में match the following already किया हुआ है. So अब हम इसे फिर से करेंगे. So लेफ्ट साइड में कुछ बॉडी पार्ट इमेजेस हैं, राइट साइड में डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स के नाम हैं. So these are all shuffled. We need to match the correct part with their names. Okay. So see here, first one is this. So what is this? Is this arm? No. Is this arm? Is this a leg? Is this a toe? Is this a head? Right, it is a head. Second one is this a leg or is this a knee? Is this a foot? Is this a hand? This is arm. This one is arm. And this one is hand. Right? And these are fingers. These are fingers. This is leg. And this one is knee. And this one is foot. And these are toes. Right? We will solve it again. This is head. This is arm. This is hand. These are fingers. This is leg. This is knee. This is foot. And these are toes. Right? I hope you have solved it. Now we have one more exercise here. It is very similar to the previous one. Okay, ये भी previous exercise के जैसे ही है. So read and match. We have some images here. कुछ pictures हैं, उन्हें उनके नाम के साथ मिलाना है. So the first one is, see in this picture you can see teeth, lips and a tongue. So this is mouth. Right? ये क्या है? Mouth है. ये क्या है? जिस पे हेड रेस्ट करता है. हेड किस पे रेस्ट करता है? नेक पे. With the help of neck you can move your head. This one is nose. This one is nose, right? These are teeth. These are teeth. See here, these are ears. These are ears. And what are these? These are eyes. Now next one is face. Next one is face. In this picture you can see eyes, mouth, cheeks, head, ears, right? This is face. And this one is hair. This is hair. So let's solve it again. Are you having fun, kids? I hope you are having fun while learning. So this is mouth. This is neck. This is nose. These are teeth. These are ears. These are eyes. This is face. And this is hair. Right? So kids, this is enough for today's class. We had revision of first unit. So I hope you have revised this unit. In next lesson we will revise about similarities and differences. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to read this lesson. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, take care.